Hello everybody, welcome back to Yoba TV. If you're new here, you're welcome. Kindly click that subscribe button on your screen, like, comment, and share this program. And Yomi, there are some things that is happening online that I just don't understand, you people. I mean, I know that our commenter is on here. Most of them, they are there for, they will not comment, someone share but they are there for the drama, They're always there for anything negative. I just don't understand how people is like that. There's a trendy video of Olori Temitope dancing with her husband, which is the Kabiyesi. And the comment under that post is disgustingly terrible. I swear to God. It's disgustingly terrible. Like, how do you guys go from just a normal day and you guys will just look for a problem and just attach that problem to something that doesn't have anything to do with it? Alone, that needs to be studied. She was dancing with her husband, teasing her husband. Clearly in that video, Temitope was teasing her husband. And the husband was like, wàhálà ẹ̀ pọ̀. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ pé wọ́n sọ pé kó lọ jókòó, wípé wọ́n ṣe pepper dem gang. Ṣé òun nìkan ló lọ kọ ni? Kí ló kọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀? Ṣáwọn tó kù complain fún yín ni? And she didn't even do too much. I mean, you guys are always looking for the fault of all this Olori. Because sometimes you'll be like, there was a time that I think Ashley, Lolo Tajumbe, then Toby Loba, kò sí nǹkan tí Toby ṣe, Olori Toby. People will always look for a way to condemn it. Like, I don't know how. Nǹkan tó rí gan, oh, this post is nice. Go to the comment section. You see how they drag her. There was a video of Kabiyesi telling Toby Loba to do some things or to help him do some things. And before you know, blogger don't carry it, say, Kabiyesi chase her away from the seat. Say, make she go. Make somebody else come sit down there. I'm like, how do you guys just, create problem where there is no problem? This Olori, they are human beings like you and I. They can make mistake as well. They are not shaking it, but you people just polygamous family. And anything anybody does, either good or bad, let us drag them. Why would they, how dare they be inside the polygamous family and be happy? I think that's the problem you guys have. To Mama Sokineko, when it comes to that palace, to each of them, Kabiyesi is my husband. They did not see any other person. Kabiyesi, if you are with Kabiyesi, just know that Kabiyesi is for you. As long as it was only you that is there. They don't think the way you people are thinking. We are on Jowu, Oyakoma Jowu, Shoni Gano Benny, Shako Yako consider feeling and Otoku. The other Toku, they are not worried the way you people are worried. The house is peaceful. If it's not peaceful, it will be very difficult to hide. There are 6 women there. It will be difficult to hide. Why is it that all this Olori, you guys always look for something to drag them by? Like, you just create something out of nowhere. There was a time they were dragging one that kilo way. There was a time they are dragging the other. Kilo de don't go benye. Kilo de don't she benye. Kilo de don't kapasuke. You guys will always find a fault in every one of them. No, she tell me talk penny. Yes, Olori Temitope náà ni. She was dancing with the husband. Tó bá dúró bí èrè bí tí ò bá jó pẹ̀lú ọkọ ẹ̀, ẹ̀yin náà lè máa jáde pé kò lè jó, ó ti wà arrogant jù. She was dancing and teasing her husband, which we do as well. Àbí ṣe tó bí pé èèyàn kì í ṣe celebrity ni. We do these things that she was doing. And everybody can see. Ṣé òun nìkan ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni? Ṣé kò mọ̀ pé Kábíyèsí náà níyàn ni? Kí ló dé tó ń ṣe notice me? Mo sọ pé yìí. Báwo lo lórí tó wà náà àfin tí ọkọ fẹ́ ní ṣùlọ́kà tó máa ṣe notice me? For who? She's already a queen. You must notice her. That title alone. Ṣebí ẹ̀yin gan lẹ ń ṣe notice me? Ẹ̀yin gan lẹ lọ notice ẹ̀. Being a queen in that palace, you must notice her. She's a celebrity. So now una go do notice me with her. For everything she was dancing. You guys get issues, oh. Ọlọ́run. But actually I was seeing it in the comment section. Where is her ex-husband? She be kì í ṣe kábíyèsí ló lọ́mọ, kó lọ ṣe DNA. Kí ló kàn yín pẹ̀lú gbogbo kinní yẹn náà? Why are you people always like this? Kí ló kàn yín pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn náà? And if àwọn people wọ̀nyí lẹ́ẹ̀jẹ́ kan live life wọn, the man is not complaining. I mean, ìgbà igan ó san gbogbo wọn because they were living fine and good. If you see them, they are always together. There's no fight. There's no issue. I don't even know how they do that. They're really matured women. Because èmi wò pé wàhálà àdé láàfin. Bó ṣe ń settle ìjà ní yàrá bí. Wọ́n ṣe máa settle ìjà ní yàrá abẹ yẹn. Wọ́n ti pọ̀ jù, wọ́n máa jà ni. But see, look at them. They are always, together, doing things together. They don't bring their dirty linen to the public. They are mature. They act maturely, I swear. For 6 women to act like that. They are very, very matured. Well, it has a lot to do with the education, And like they know where they were going to before they even step foot there. And to me, I feel like it's becoming unbecoming of you people to just, need that they share anything wrong. You people will just drag them because they're in a polygamous family. And you got there one monogamy, ṣé ẹ̀yin gan ní ayọ̀ tán ní ṣé ní peace of mind táwọn olórí yẹn ní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé ọkọ kan péré lẹ́ni gan you are not as happy as they are. That is why tó jẹ́ pé it's easier for you people to project your own anger and frustration on them because you are wondering like how dare them, how can they be happy in a polygamy? They must be sad. It's not. Kì í ṣe the same pen náà fi kọ life oníkálukú different pen ni o. Obìnrin tó bá ti wáyé ìyà wípé ó máa jẹ ìyà tó máa fi kú ni kò sí nǹkan kan tó lè wẹ̀ ó máa jẹ ìyà tó máa fi kú ó tẹ̀ ní ìdá ti wà nù polygamist home. You are married to one man and the man dey show you shege and they are married, they are 6 married to one woman and they no dey see shege so oníkálukú gbélé ayé ẹ̀ wà ni. I don't see anything wrong in the video. She was dancing with her husband. You people say, kí ló dé tó ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, kí ló dé ṣé kò mọ̀ pé àwọn tó kú wà ń bẹ̀. Ṣé àwọn tó kú complain fún yín? If they want to dance with their husband, they should dance with their husband. But there was nobody there. And she was being playful with her husband. I mean, how do you appreciate your man if you're not playful with him? And I think the man is enjoying it. It was just, trying to be a king. You know how men can do. Like, wala eti pochu. He didn't even snub her. It was just like, I'm a man is wala eti pochu. Itala mawa. A king has to, comport himself, that kind of thing. The man was not complaining. He was just watching his wife. Of course. Inú wọn dùn ni now. Or what would you have preferred? The Olori is dancing with the king. Una dey complain, you say, why she go dey dance with king? If the Olori stand there, she frown. Now una still go complain, say, why she comes frown? No be Olori she be. I mean, you cannot please people in this world, though. You literally cannot please because sing God oh she. She was smiling and dancing, happy without that woman is always happy. Temitope is always happy. Whenever you see her, you always see her smiling, happy. Or I swear to God. Dancing. I'm always seeing her dancing. Oh, don't do anything, no. That is it. She used to dance. Her aura is very, very nice. Yes. Emma and Shaki is here. Anytime you see her, she's always smiling. She's always holding a child's hand, or dancing with children. She's always dancing. I love that aura. She dey dance with the husband. Una dey complain. Say na only she dey there. If she dey frown to the husband, na so una go happy abi. Long to be in the spotlight gone na wahala. I swear to God. Na wahala. Tó bá ń lejú sí kábíyèsí inú yín máa dùn àbí nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ nìyẹn kó dúró síbẹ̀ yẹn bí igi kó máa ṣe kójú ẹ̀ kó frown kó má wà friendly kínú máa bí ṣẹ́yìn ẹ̀yìn náà lè ti máa crop ẹ̀ pé olórí ọlọ́run ló mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣe kò tiẹ̀ lè comport ara ẹ̀ níta. Ẹ máa wà okay o eventually ẹ máa wà okay ṣe ti gbọ́ mi so èmi ò bá sọ pé ẹ fọmọ ọlọ́mọ lẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kán jayé orí wọn. Àwọn kọ́ ló ba tiyín jẹ́. Àwọn kọ́ ló ba tiyín jẹ́ o.